Hello, and welcome back to our Introduction to Python Programming series. In this particular lecture video, you'll be looking at writing Python codes with online interpreters. So I have my web browser open. You can open any web browser of your choice. Then you search for online Python interpreters. Okay. All right, so there are different ones here. So you can select any of this for this purpose when you start off the programmers. Okay, so this is where you write your codes, and then this is where you have your outputs. Okay, so this is the output, and this is where the code is. So let's write our first Python programming code that we did earlier. A hello world, Python script, a Python program just to print out hello world, or just allow your computer to print out hello world to any user or anyone around. Okay, so let's type this line of code. Print hello. Okay, so you just run it. Okay, so this is the output of your code. Okay, so here we have the print function, and then the print function is followed by parentheses, and in the parentheses you have double quotation surrounding the hello world. So the hello world is treated as a test here. Okay, the moment we take this away, you take one parenthesis away, it's going to report an error. Get it? It says that there's a syntax error. You are seeing that syntax basically refers to the rules on how you would conduct or how you create stuffs. Okay, so you'd have to then return it back here. So we run this, it runs now. Okay,